Welcome YTPC, Edwin here from Central Texas. Sunday, how you guys doing? I'm hoping you're having a great day out there. I survived the whole paintball business yesterday that I went with the kids, celebrating my son's birthday. It was fun. They had a blast. No major injuries. Hurt a little bit, but it's all good. It's all good. Highly recommended. If you don't mind getting shot, a little bit. Really, really fun. A little bit hot, it's like 90s. But it's all good. I'll take the 90s. Smoking my country gentleman, that is a beauty to smoke. That's right, the country gentleman. Very, very nice smoker. I'm really enjoying how this cup smoke, no brainer. And having some Baju morning flake. Highly recommended. If you like Perique, give it a shot. I think it's great. I like it. Yeah, it was fun yesterday for sure. They have different scenarios or different fields, right, that you go with the group. And really, really fun. All the tactics and all that was a blast. Man, these kids, they don't get tired. And today, I keep smoking this Baju. It's just excellent. Today, kind of a video response to CaneRod Piper. I really enjoy his channel. One of those guys that you can sit down, have a pipe or a cigar and just chat forever. And he was talking his process to open a zippo one-handed, just sharing the information for a brother in the community that was asking about it. And that made me think about how I do it. And very similar to you, sir, that you were saying, I will hold it in this portion and with 2 fingers like that. Okay, and then after that, and that comes very natural after practice. After that, it's all about my thumb, open, close, okay, open, close, like that, right? So I open it, the thumb is already in that position, right? And then I lift it just to avoid getting burned with this one, do my work, and then I close it with my thumb. And that's what I do. Just like that. Again, feel it there, bam, and you're done. That's my process on one-handed opening and closing and using my zippo. And of course, that one might be very specific for pipes. And one thing I should say that comes natural to me is that I open it, and when I strike it, then I lift this one as well, just to avoid getting hit by that flame, right? And then close it back. And yeah, one of those things that you don't think about after doing it for so long, but a good topic. And I wanted to share. I was like, how the hell I do this? Let me see. Oh, okay, yeah, I just put it like that and I just do this. Okay, very interesting. Just that, I'm right there, lift it, and then go back to business. And guys, I will continue enjoying my pipe right here on Sunday, recovering from yesterday. Paintballs all over my chest. You know, when the kids see an adult, I'm an easy target for all these young kids, right? It's like, oh my God, okay. And I hope you have a great rest of your Sunday. I'm going to start up the grill and do some food for the kids and wife. And just relax, okay? You guys have a good one. See you in the next video. Edwin out.